For generations, the wearable industry has tried to convince us that a smartwatch is just a fragile extension of our smartphones. We've been trained to accept devices with glowing screens that shatter at the first impact, batteries that die after a single day of use, and fitness trackers that do little more than count our steps and guess our heart rate. We treated them like high-tech jewelry, nice to look at, but ultimately useless when the pavement ends and true survival begins. But a silent, terrifyingly ambitious shift has been occurring in the world of extreme engineering. Garmin just shattered the consumer smartwatch illusion entirely. The Garmin Fenix 9 Pro is not just another minor upgrade for casual athletes. It is a ruthless, highly sophisticated piece of tactical survival gear disguised as an elite timepiece. What Garmin has managed to pack into this indestructible chassis defies everything we knew about battery chemistry, satellite tracking, and human biometric analysis. If you think this is just a luxury fitness tracker for weekend runners, you are completely missing the massive disruption that is unfolding. This machine changes our relationship with the physical world forever. In this video, we are going to expose the hidden engineering secrets, the cutting-edge navigation breakthroughs, and the mind-blowing data capabilities that make this silent beast the most dangerous tool an adventurer can wear on their wrist. To truly understand the weight of what Garmin has achieved here, we have to look at the invisible war happening between battery life and computational power. Traditional smartwatches are limited by a devastating compromise. If you want a brilliant, high-resolution screen and constant sensor tracking, you have to accept a battery life measured in hours. Garmin looked at this limitation and chose a completely different engineering path. With the Fenix 9 Pro, they have perfected next-generation energy management to an extreme degree. They didn't just put a larger battery inside. They transformed the entire display array into an energy-harvesting powerhouse. The advanced solar charging technology embedded within the ultra-hard sapphire crystal lens operates at a level of efficiency previously thought impossible. It actively captures the entire light spectrum, converting ambient sunlight into raw electrical power, even in low-light conditions. When you step outside into the wilderness, your watch isn't just consuming energy. It is actively refueling itself from the sun. This creates a battery life that doesn't just last for days, but pushes deep into weeks and even months of continuous, uncompromised tactical tracking. It completely eliminates low battery anxiety, freeing you to push boundaries without ever worrying about finding a wall outlet. But a battery that lasts forever means nothing if the device itself cannot survive the environment. In the world of extreme athletics and tactical exploration, a watch faces impacts, freezing temperatures, crushing water pressure, and abrasive environments that would instantly destroy a standard smartwatch. The Fenix 9 Pro is built like a literal fortress. The bezel is forged from aerospace-grade titanium, treated with a specialized diamond-like carbon coating that resists scratches from the sharpest rocks and granite. The internal components are shock-insulated within a reinforced fiber polymer case that meets rigorous military standards for thermal, shock, and water resistance. When you dive deep into freezing water, climb a jagged mountain face, or crash on a mountain bike trail, this watch doesn't just survive the impact. It absorbs the energy and keeps functioning with absolute precision. It feels reassuringly solid on your wrist, a tool built to outlast the person wearing it.